WoW
Welcome
and
to
I've
the
never played
station
it.
crew. Enjoy your stay. Welcome to the station.
Oh, dude, I got that game too, and I fucking hate it.
Communication intercepted.
Oh.
Security level elevated.
I like Skyrim Remastered, especially with the mods and stuff. Fallout 4 is the best. You know there might be a Fallout. You know they're supposedly supposed to be working on the Fallout 5 already. Yeah, the guy who voice acts for the main character. Supposedly he was going to be in it, and he accidentally released some information, but then he took down his post, but he didn't take it down fast enough. So it's been a big controversy right now. That'll be next. That'll be next, yeah, because they rotate. But you know, just because it's in development doesn't mean we won't. We still probably won't see it for like 5 years. Yeah, no. Yep. That one dude in Canada is safe, bro. Okay. Okay. You ever go on YouTube a lot? You ever watch Neil deGrasse Tyson and Michio Kakuo or Kikyo? No, these guys are they're quantum physics majors. Neil deGrasse Tyson. They made a meme of him. He's that one ball who has his hands up and he's like looking to like the left or some shit. But yeah, he's like the Stephen Hawking. He's like the Stephen Hawking of black people. Yeah, no, him. And there's this Asian dude. His name's like Michio Kikyo or some shit like that. But anyways, they're both on this YouTube channel called Big Think, and they talk about quantum physics. You know, how the universe works and shit, and like the human part of the brains and your consciousness, and like the theory of teleportation and shit. They talk about a lot of sciencey shit. If you're into that, I watch that shit all the time. I'm always watching fucking shit on YouTube. Like, in a nutshell, science shit, just learning. Yeah, dude. I like anything that deals with, like, space. I'm not going to college for it. It's just more... Yeah, dude, Bill Nye's on him. Yeah. He does a lot of shit. But that Asian dude you'll see, that Asian, Michio or whatever, he's like the smartest one of them all, dude. He's fucking genius. They've basically considered him a super genius. Or if you ever look up Kurzak in a nutshell, they do a lot of good explaining of really, difficult subjects, but making it easily digestible for people to, understand. Yeah, our teachers started doing that when I got into high school. YouTube's a big thing. There's a lot of good information on there, and there's a lot of smart people who make good videos. Yeah, there is. I'm majoring in liberal arts. Like public speaking.
Microscopic silicovolcanoconiosis.
What the hell is that?
I have no clue. I'm just reading that word.
Jesus Christ, dude. Sounds dangerous. You should pick it up.
Pneumono ultra microscopic silico volcanoconiosis.
Is it like a microbacterial infection that makes you have like diarrhea like a volcano or something?
Pneumono ultra microscopic silico volcanoconiosis.
Is that a real thing?
Obscure term referring to a lung disease caused by silica dust, sometimes cited as one of the longest words in the English language.
Dude just looked up longest word in the English language and posted that. What the hell's my cat doing? Meow. Yeah. Yeah, my cat just came in and climbed up on one of my chairs. Behind where my dog's laying. Half year. Ours is like a year and a half. Alright. Huh. I bet. Yeah, we found this cat on a farm, on the farm I grew up on when I was a kid. I was out visiting my grandma. And we found her, she was like 4 months old, her mom was dead. And it was winter time, so we decided to take her in.
Okay, so this guy, he gave me extra access, but he changed my ID job to crushed faggot.
Wow, that's funny. He called you a crushed faggot.
Yeah, what a fucker. That's what I called him.
Dang, has it been 10 minutes yet? Why don't they make skins for almost everybody during these things? Yeah, there's no new Widowmaker skin, no new fucking Trobjorn skin. Is there a Symmetra skin? No, there's a Symmetra skin. Oh yeah, Reaper don't have a skin. I know. I didn't know that they were doing this shit until I just got on recently when they started doing this new season. I found out that they were giving skins away like this. I was like, what? I didn't even know. I didn't even know they added 2 new characters. All I got for Reaper is El Blanco.
Look what I'm doing.
Oh, I got the Blackwatch Reyes too.
See, the crate's moving itself on a cart. I told that cart to go to the kitchen, and it's going to the kitchen.
I told that cart to go to the kitchen, and it's going to the kitchen.
Fuck's sake.
Better. Hello? 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 Oh my god.
trying to help get these people not on fire.
No, we just sat and reminisced. You know, financing big business corporations, you know. Talking about network marketing. Did you invite him? Him. Shit. I don't have any skins for Sombra. You invited me? Why'd you invite me? I'm in the lobby too. Holy shit. Bastion. Go into the darkness, Bastion. They just keep coming, huh? Oh yeah, I set my newest record this morning for eliminations with Junkrat. 51. 51. Yeah, we're like 51 and 10 with Junkrat. What's the most damage that you guys have ever done in a competitive session? Holy shit! Dope, dude. That's awesome. Mine is 21,700. Is there a place that shows you how many legendary votes you've gotten? That sucks. What does the legendary votes do for you? You've only gotten one legendary vote? Oh, dang. See, I got it when it came out and I played it for a little while and then I stopped playing after like a week and a half. And then I started playing it again. We're in a match. Yeah. We got Woo! You know what Dorado means, right? Gold. It's actually Spanish. El Dorado means the gold. Like the city of El Dorado. That was a movie. Yeah. Jesus Christ, dude, don't say it like that, man. Once you get out of high school, you start realizing that aging really sucks. 1 point. And that's what I said. I was like, "You're in 8th grade. You sound at least 17. You sound like some 17-year-old, even 18-year-olds I've met." I just sound like, dude. How many times have we had this conversation? Reinhardt's almost down. He's gone. He is gone. I'm coming up from around him. I am a confirmed attack. Oh my god, that's funny. Soldiers down. Nice job. I have a thing out. He's about to walk over it. He's gone. Watch out for this Anna. Okay, I'm gonna try to come up from around him and flank him. Okay, we got a Zenyatta. He's gone. Oh shit, we got a Junkrat on the left side. My ult's ready. Damn. They got a Junkrat coming, but they're pretty far down. He should be coming soon though. Oh, that's no good. Our soldier's almost down. Nice, our soldier's down. I'm almost dead. I got 87 health. Watch out for this. Yeah, he's really pissing me off. Wow, I am almost dead. Hey, Zenny. Hey, Zenny. You got an ARP for me? Oh, I'm not even close to that. There we go. Junkrat's done. I am almost dead again. Dope. I'm on fire now. Holy shit, I'm almost dead again. 78 health. My ult's at 97. Okay, the Reinhardt's down. Watch out for their soldier. He's got his ult. Thanks for the orb. Keep that shield up. Oh shit, that's not good. I'm gonna try to flank him. I almost killed Junkrat and Zenyatta. Oh, my hand itches. Jesus Christ, man.
Confirmed outbreak of level 7 viral biohazard
Nice.
aboard a
Nice! Good
All
job,
personnel
boys.
must contain the outbreak.
That was awesome. Watch out for the soldier. I love how I never get any medals. I think we got a McCree behind us. Watch out for this Junkrat. Looks like Junkrat's down. We got a soldier up top behind us. We got a soldier up top behind us. And we have an Anna up top behind us. And we have a fucking McCree up top. McCree's up top behind you. He's using his ult. Yeah. My ult's ready. Nice job, boys. Whew, my hand itches.
Confirmed outbreak of level 7 viral biohazard aboard the station. All personnel must contain the outbreak.
What?
Just trying to figure out how to cook here.
It's
they made a new source code, so now it's harder to cook.
Shouldn't.
It's different.
Well, I'm gonna get up on top of this building. Oh shit! I fell off. I'm gonna get up top. Yeah. They got a Lucio up top. I killed their Genji up top and their Lucio. Oh, well, somebody else took out the Lucio. Oh, nice. How did I get 3 kills there? Watch up. Oh shit. We got a Junkrat on the right side. Well, 76. My ult's ready. I got their blanket. Son of a bitch, bro! What the fuck? There we go. Son of a bitch. They got a Lucio behind the point. Fucking Sombra. There we go. There we go. Up top. Oh, shit. Who's on our team left? What the fuck? That happened to us earlier and we won. Fucking Genji, bro. Okay, we got this. We got this, boys. We can do it still.
Hey, look at this guy. He has chainsaws for arms.
Chainsaws for arms. It's
Yes.
crazy. Fuck, bro.
Someone took my chicken and they never gave it back.
Fucking Roadhog. My ult's at 94. Somebody got trapped by my shit. Fuck, dude. I saw him take you out.
Hey, Mom. Good, what's up?
Okay, I'm gonna be popping my ult soon.
Hang around. Yeah, I did. Yeah. 11 to 5. Yep. Yeah. Alright, bye. Me too, bye.
Nice. Oh shit. Oh shit, there's a bitch up top, there's a guy up top, there's a guy up top. Shield, I need shield. Woo, I'm almost dead. I'm almost dead. Shit. I'm almost dead. Fuck, I'm done. We can still do it. We got 1 minute 41 seconds. I know. Nice. Nice job. Lucio's down. Roadhog's down. Genji fucking killed me again behind you. Fuck, watch out for that. Fly up, Diva. Shit. Get up on the point, get up on the point. Damn, son of a bitch. Oh, we have 2 minutes and 39 seconds on him.
Now departing TG station.
We're going back to that.
Okay, so what's the plan then? What should we do? We're defending. I can go Mercy. Oh wait, Anna. Here. Oh fuck. What should we get? What should we? What do we need? What do we need? Because somebody got Junkrat. So we need a healer. Okay, you want me to go Mercy? I got you. There we go. At least I got some. At least I got 3 medals. Who's playing as Bastion?
Well, that's the end of that one.
Who's playing as Diva? Shit, we need to get this Genji. He's fucking me up. God fucking damn it. I don't know if this is gonna work with the Mercy.
We're going back to that.